Hey everybody, it's Robbie. Today is like the second last day I'm in the Kootenays. It might not be the very last day. I've been known in the past to say this is my last day here, and you travel enough, and sure enough, you end up back in a place you never thought you'd ever see again. So probably my last day here, not necessarily. So right now we're on a ferry boat, and it's taking us across the water to Glade. So hopefully you like it, and yeah, here we go. I do have to make a lot of noise because it's probably bears. Check out this tree. It's called Glade Waterfall. This is a pretty good spot, but let's go get a better look up there. Okay, I think it's time to leave now. That water's getting me soaked, and the sun is starting to go down, and there's bears around here. So let's get the hell out of here. How about that? Okay, how creepy is this? Check this out. This is like the fender of like a 1930 car. That's the engine. And over here in the trees is the actual car. How creepy is that? Okay, now I'm going to take you to my second favorite spot here in the Kootenays. Also here in Glade, conveniently enough. And I don't know what this is called, but it's pretty nice. Let's check it out. Okay, I'm making an executive decision, and I'm going back to the car. You see, 2 seconds ago, I just saw a bear. Holy fuck! He fucking chased me! Alright, at least I heard. Oh my god. Wow! There was 2 of them! Okay. Okay, that bear, there was 2 of them, because he was so violent. He totally started coming towards me, or a second one did or something, but it was like, I ran. It's time to go. Woo! Alright, well, I'm driving away now, and I have never been, well, that's not true. I was going to say I've never been that close to a bear before, but I have, but I'm not sure how close I was the first time because it was pitch dark, but I could hear it a lot closer than what this one was. So, I didn't see it, and I wish I got footage of it, but I heard it just fine. And like my whole body just went into like shock, and all my goosebumps came out, and my heart, and instinctually, man, I know you're not supposed to run. I know you're not supposed to run when you see a bear, but it's a bear. Alright, so we're on the ferry boat now. Everything seems to be clear. Just want to show you this great view of Glade on the left, Castlegar on the right. And yeah, we're on the ferry boat, and it's a beautiful view. Happy to be alive. Until next time. And I will try not to be eaten by a bear. time. And I will try not to be